This video explains how to buy shares of Auburn National BanCorp Inc., a regional banking company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker AUBN. This is educational content only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker. We use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you will usually have to verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker AUBN to find the stock. Select the NASDAQ listing that matches Auburn National BanCorp Inc. to open its asset page. On the asset page, review the company's summary and the price chart to confirm it is a correct Auburn National BanCorp Inc. listing. Make sure the ticker shows AUBN and the exchange is NASDAQ. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until trading resumes. And if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After confirmation, your new position will appear in your portfolio on the platform. Find the example eToro link in the description below.